The Food Service Exchange presents.
Menu enhancement is one of the most active areas of food service today. Many of your clients often require new menu items. They are always searching to have more customers and to have their existing customers visit more frequently. Freshening up the menu is one way to do this. Incorporating international foods into your menu can be a great way to attract new customers. Crepes are one of the easiest ways to also add demonstration cooking into your food service operations. Preferably located out front near the customer, crepe making provides both action and a pleasing aroma. Since crepes are made to order, they contain the ingredients the customers want, whether for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. Equipex Crepe makers are available in a variety of sizes and voltages to satisfy every requirement as seen on the slide here. Equipex Crepe makers have an enameled cast iron surface which resists sticking, requiring less oil on the surface and generating less smoke. Furthermore, the unique baking surface is very easy to clean. As a result of the unique heating system, the crepe bakers are designed for high volume, all-day use, even in 120 volt. Whether for crepes, wraps, tortillas, or pancakes, crepe makers generate very high profits for the operator. The payback for the cost of acquisition is generally weeks, not months. Crepe making is very versatile, being suitable in hotels, restaurants, at banquets, catering and kiosks, along with business and industry locations. Since crepe making is most desirable in front of the customer, there are a wide variety of accessories available to keep the crepe station functional and orderly. Toppings dispensers are specifically designed to maintain proper temperature for dispensing delicious Nutella and chocolate, along with being exceptionally hygienic with its waterless holding feature. Crepe kits provide a compact and neat location for all the important crepe making tools. Why not put a crepe maker on a portable cart for maximum flexibility in a hospitality location, sports venue, or even a retail location? The possibilities are virtually endless, including adding branding with a lighted front panel. And if the capture of grease-laden smoke, vapor, or odor is needed, Equipex offers its patented countertop ventless hood system as a solution. Waffle baking is also an effective food sales tool when located in front of the customer, generating a pleasant aroma and action station. Equipex waffle bakers, available in single or double units, are constructed of heavy-duty cast iron, not light-duty aluminum that can pit, rust, and routinely fail. No clips or turning are needed, so that less labor is required. Cleaning is simple by using a stiff wire brush, which is included with the waffle baker. A removable overspill batter tray protects the waffle baker itself and makes cleanup a cinch. Waffles are highly customizable by the ingredients paired with them, whether for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or desserts, sweet or savory. How about chicken and waffles, or using waffles to make a sandwich? More traditionally, waffles are ideal for breakfast or desserts in 6 different waffle patterns. Equipex offers dramatic 1 1/4 inch thick waffle patterns with its Brussels and Liège patterns. The food presentation of these thick waffles results in high value to the customer, making its overall worth greater. And for ice cream, there's nothing better than a freshly made waffle cone. For something really different, look at our unusual cypress and silo patterns, both waffle on a stick concepts. This walk-around food is great for country fairs, farmers markets, college and universities, and many other locations. And remember, the topping dispensers are ideal for waffles, spreading warm Nutella and chocolate at the perfect temperature in a hygienic fashion. A mobile cart completes the assembly, moving your waffle making to where it is desired. Our products are made in the USA. Equipex has over 20 years of experience in the food service solutions industry, and we are happy to answer any questions you may have. Please visit www.equipex.com for more information.